Today I'm going to show you how to keep your Karndean floor looking its very best with our simple two-part guide. First we'll cover your everyday cleaning routine and then we'll show you how to give a deeper refresh when your floor needs it. Day-to-day cleaning couldn't be easier. The first step is to simply prepare the floor by removing any loose dirt or dust. Using a soft sweeping brush, gently sweep the entire floor to collect any loose dirt or debris. Next, in a bucket, add 50 millilitres of Karndean Clean to approximately 8 to 10 litres of clean water. Or you can use a pH neutral floor cleaner and follow their instructions. Now simply mop as normal. Alternatively, you can use a spray mop, but steam cleaners aren't suitable. And that's it, simple everyday floor care. For a deeper clean to really revitalise your floor, we recommend an occasional refresh. First up is the remove phase. This is how you prepare your floor for the refresh. Before we start, we'd always recommend emptying the space entirely so the whole floor can be accessed. Start by diluting 1 part Karndean Remove with 5 parts clean water. Using a household mop, spread the solution liberally across the floor, letting it work for 5 minutes, but being really careful not to let it dry. Then with the blue applicator from your kit and the coarse white pad, scrub the floor all over. Finally, rinse the residue thoroughly with fresh, clean, warm water. Now for the final step, the refresh. This will bring your floor back to life while restoring its protective layer. The key is to make sure that your floor is completely dry before you start. Once we've checked the floor is completely dry and free of any old product, we can swap to the soft white pad. Then spread a thin, even layer of undiluted Karndean Refresh onto the floor, working across the width of the floor. Let this first layer dry for about 30 minutes, then rinse the pad and repeat the process, applying a second layer along the length of the floor. After you've applied those 2 thin coats of refresh, we'd recommend leaving the floor to dry for a minimum of 6 hours before you walk on it. Here are a few quick tips to help you keep your Karndean floor looking its best every day. First of all, place a good quality mat by your doors to catch any dirt or debris before it reaches the floor. Just be sure you avoid any mats with a rubber backing, as that can cause discoloration over time. Next, always avoid dragging any heavy furniture across your floor. Instead, always lift your furniture when moving it if possible and use the protector pads that are included in your Karndean floor care kit to prevent any marks or scratches. And for any stubborn spots or scuffs, you can spot clean the area using undiluted Karndean Clean. With just a little bit of care, your Karndean floor will stay looking beautiful for years to come. Thank you for watching.